मला आता प्राप्त होत आहे ते नेकीने पार पाडीन.
I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge.
हांव जयेश विद्याधर साळगांवकर गोंय राज्य विधानसभेचो सभासद म्हणून निवडून आयला. म्हण देवाच्या नांवान सोपूत घेता की हांव कायद्यान थारायल्ल्या भारताच्या घटनेचेर विश्वास दवरतलों आनी भारताच्या सार्वभौमत्व आनी भारताची एकवट राखून दवरतलों आनी जे कर्तव्य आता म्हाका लागू जाता ते खरेपणान पुरे करतलो.
I, Michael Vincent Lobo, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly of the State of Goa, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Thank you.
फुडलो एजेंडा विश्वासदर्शक ठराव. माननीय मुख्यमंत्री तुमचो ठराव मानात.
Move that this House expresses its confidence in the Council of Ministers headed by Sri Manohar Parrikar.
ठराव सभागृहा मुखार आसा.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker. How many members are there in this
Please be
house?
seated.
How many members are there in this house as per the Constitution?
ठराव सभागृहा मुखार आसा. I now put the motion to vote.
I am asking a question, Mr. Speaker, sir. How many members are there in this house
Those in
as per
favor
the
of the
Constitution?
Motion may please stand up.
Article 371I says...
Those in favor of the motion may please stand up.
Division.
Those in favor of the motion may please stand up in their seats. Please count. Those against the motion may please stand up in their seats.
Division.
Those against the motion may please stand up. Division झाले मरे.
Division.
No, we have not put it for the voice vote. This is direct division of votes. This is the division.
Aye. Speaker. 16 मरे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 मरे. 16 वर्षी 22. डिविजन सारखे नो.
चर्चिनी ऊपर आलो सपोर्ट.
डिविजन एम्प्लॉय मारा.
22 वर्सेस 16 16. हां मरे 17. वॉशरूम. हो ठराव 22 विरुद्ध 16 मतांनी जिंकलो. आता सभागृहा मुखार कांयच काम नाशिल्ल्यान हे सभागृह येता त्या बुधवारा तारीख 22 मार्च 2017 सकाळी 11:30 पर्यंत स्थगीत करता.